Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna do a review on the perfection. Can you beat the clock before the pieces pop? Super fun, Ryan. A timer of 60 seconds. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna show our YouTube friends about this toy. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Super Ryan right here. So we got all the pieces ready to go. So all you do, you have to press the stop button, and then you're gonna switch all the way to 60 seconds, and you gotta push down this, and we have all the pieces here ready and go for Ryan to play. And big sister Bianna, you wanna say hi to your friends on YouTube?
Hi. Ready?
Are you ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
Ready?
No, I'm not.
Ready, set, go!
Oh.
We got Bianna doing the first challenge. And then Daddy's gonna go, and then Ryan. Ryan doesn't want to go. He doesn't like the whole popping. But it's fun, Ryan. It's super fun.
No, it's not.
See how Brianna does. Brianna's at 30 seconds.
Stop it!
Ooh, 30 seconds. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Brianna, Super Daddy, or Super Brian? Brianna's gonna win. And it's gonna pop! Oh, Brianna did it! Wow, dude. Whoa! The winning dance, Ryan! Oh, yeah! We got the winner, Brianna. So it's Ryan's turn.
My turn.
Come on, Rhinos. You gotta set the timer.
How do you do it? This way?
Yeah. You gotta set the timer, and then you push it down. Good job, buddy. How many you have? One? That one goes here.
What?
That one you had. Good job. Come on, dude. You do it right now. Come on, Super Ryan.
Sit down.
Come on, do it.
This is at the back. Sit down.
Perfection.
Sit down.
You don't want to do it? So Daddy can do it. Good job. Look at that.
What is this?
Oh, what was that, dude? Take it on. You're gonna beat Brianna, dude.
Mom, be super.
Good job. Come on, dude. Focus, Ryan. Focus.
Focus.
Focus. What's going on, Ryan? You're panicking or what?
Ryan over here.
Look at that, Super Ryan.
What are you doing?
You're good, dude. You're fast. You're fast like Lightning McQueen. I am speed. How Lightning McQueen go, Ryan? Focus. Oh, good job, buddy. And you're even wearing Lightning McQueen shirt. Oh yeah, Super Lightning McQueen. Right here, dudes. Good job.
Where did this go? No.
You have to fix it. Turn on.
Good job. Teamwork right there with Big Sister Brianna
Where did this go?
and Super Ryan.
Where did it go?
Over here.
You look for it, dude.
Mm.
You can do it. You can do it. The other one. Remember there's two?
There's two. These two.
What?
Try the other one.
We're playing Lightning Queen?
We're playing perfection.
Fishing?
Perfection.
Where bought it?
Can you beat
It's
the
other
clock before the pieces pop?
Where bought it?
We bought it at Walmart
It's super.
for Super Ryan's toy review. Now, ready. Oh no, you're right. Sorry.
No?
Yeah, that one.
Look at Ryan. Ryan, you're gonna beat the timer.
What?
You're gonna do it, dude. You're gonna do the dancing celebration.
Here you go.
The winning dance.
Where you go?
Over here.
Ready.
Where did this go?
Good job, Rhinos. Look at Rhino go. Whoa, you only got 4 more to go, Rhinos.
Where did this go?
The big one.
A big X. Bowser.
Where did this go?
Ryan, you got 2 more. You got 1 more, Ryan. You're gonna do the winning dance. Winning dance. Go, Ryan, you did it. Whoa. Winning dance. You gotta do the winning dance. Yeah. Winning dance. Oh, yeah. Oh. That's good, dude. Super Ryan right here. He complete the challenge of the perfection. Good job, buddy. Give me 5. Whoa! Good job. Thumbs up. So it's Daddy's turn to do the perfection challenge. Let's see if I can beat it in 60 seconds. Because Brianna did it, Brian did it, so I'm hoping I can do it. So let me put it in 60 seconds and let's do it. Come on, Ryan.
Okay.
Hold on, buddy. My turn. Wait, my turn. My turn and then your turn. Ready? Go. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Can I do it?
No.
You don't think I can do it, Ryan? I'm gonna show you I can do it. But Brianna did it. Ryan did it. So Daddy has to do it. You scared? Man, this is challenging, dude. Oh no, you think Daddy's gonna do it? No, Daddy's not gonna do it! No! No!
The loser! Who's the winner? This girl!
Ryan's the winner and Brianna is the winner. Daddy is the loser. Good job. So it's Mama's turn. Go, Mama. Push it down. And we got the 60 seconds ready. Are you ready?
No.
Ready, set, go! Hey, what's going on? Oh, time out. We didn't. Hey, wait. We didn't put the 60 seconds. Technical difficulties. Ready? Go! We got Mama. We got Super Rhino over here. Right here. Come on, Mama. Wait, buddy. We gotta see Mama can complete the challenge. Because I didn't complete it, Brianna did, and you did. Let's see, Mama. Let's see, Mommy has a perfection. I like the name. Perfection. Who's gonna win? You think Mommy's gonna win? Oh, man. Come on, Mama. Mommy's panicking. Panic mode. Ooh, yeah, Mama got some. Mama's not gonna do it. Ah! Yeah, well, Mama didn't do it. So Ryan and Brianna are the winners of today's challenge.
This one a pop.
Good job, Ryan.
This one a pop.
Go Ryan right there.
This one.
So we're done doing the video on the perfection. It was a great game. We played. It was Brianna. It was Super Ryan. It was Super Danny and Mama too. So it was fun. And the winner of today's game was Ryan and Brianna. Give me 5, Ryan. Give me 5, dude. Good job. Did you like the game, Ryan?
Yeah.
So it's a great game. It's a great family game. So we highly recommend it. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it at Walmart. So stay tuned for our next video. Say bye, Ryan.
Bye.
Stay tuned. Subscribe.